Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Competitive Botany. In this video you are going to see some important MCQs. They are useful for JL, DL, APSET,
Assistant
NET
Professor
and
Notification
Associate
2.
Professor Notification 2. Okay, so let's see the questions one by one. So the first question is, broad spectrum antibiotic is one which? Options are acts on all bacteria and viruses, acts on a variety of pathogenic microorganisms, is effective in very small amounts, acts on both pathogens and hosts. So the correct answer is second one, that is broad spectrum antibiotics. They acts on variety of pathogenic microorganisms. Let's see the next question. In Neurospora, when a single crossover occurs between two loci, that is in between capital A small a and capital B small b, in the tetrad stage, after chromosomal replication, the frequency of recombinant products in ascospores would be. Options are 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. The correct answer is 25%. Let's see the next question. Government of India is putting more stress on planting quick growing trees which yield better fodder and fuel. It is under. Options are social forestry, forest conservation, afforestation, all of the above. Let's see the correct answer. Social forestry is the correct answer. Let's see the another question. There are two cells A and B. Cell A has osmotic potential minus 16 bars and pressure potential plus 6 bars plus 6, and cell B has osmotic potential minus 10 bars and pressure potential plus 2 bars. Then the movement of water will be from. Options are given: cell B to cell A to outer solution, cell A to cell B. No movement of water will occur. So this is the very important question. You have to know properly. So then you have to answer. So I will explain the question and answer too. So let's see the statements given first. Osmotic potential of cell A is equal to 16 minus 16 bars and pressure potential is equal to plus 6 bars. Cell B osmotic potential is minus 10 and pressure potential is plus 2. Okay, so for the determination of water potential, you have to know the formula of water potential, that is psi W is equal to psi S plus psi P. Psi S is nothing but osmotic potential or solute potential. Psi P is equal to pressure potential. So, let's see the water potential of cell A is equal to minus 16 plus 6, that is equal to minus 10. So, osmotic potential of cell B is equal to plus 10 plus 2, that is equal to minus 8. Okay. So, actually, you know that as the movement of water is from higher water potential to the lower water potential, hence the movement of water is occurs from the higher water potential to the lower water potential. That means the answer is from A to B, from A cell to B cell. That is the right answer. So let's see the answer. Cell A to cell B. So the movement of water will be from cell A to cell B. That is the correct answer. So let's see the next question. Scientist awarded Nobel Prize for discovering antibiotic Streptomycin is. Options are Fleming, Waxman, Lederberg, Leeuwenhoek. The correct answer is Waxman. Let's see the next question. The algae and other green plants often float on water during daytime and sink at night because. Options are They come to enjoy sunshine. They lose weight at night because fungi and other animals eat away their parts. They become buoyant due to accumulation of O2 as a result of photosynthesis. They become lighter due to consumption of food. So the correct option is the third one. They become buoyant due to accumulation of O2 as a result of photosynthesis. Okay, so let's see the next question. LSD is obtained from options are fungus, bacteria, yeast, and virus. So you have to know what is LSD first. LSD is nothing but lysergic acid dithylamide, and it is a hallucinogenic drug that is actually obtained from fungus. So let's see the next question. Match the list 1 with list 2. Here also you have to match list 1 with list 2. List 1 consists pollutants, list 2 consists sources. So suspended particulate matter, petroleum and hydrocarbon, municipal landfill, petroleum and hydrocarbon, polychlorinated biophenols, alkyl benzene sulfonate, mercury. So these are the pollutants given. So let's see the matching. So for the easy understanding, the options given like easy. So suspended particulate matter is related to burning of coal, automobiles, building construction. Petroleum and hydrocarbon is related to offshore wells, oil tankers, municipal landfill. So polychlorinated biophenols is related to plastic industries. So alkyl benzene sulfonate is related to detergents. Mercury is related to coal-fired power plants and waste incinerators. Okay. So the correct answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. X-linked characters in man are. Options are hypertrichosis, webbling of toes, porcupine man, all of these. Actually, these three characters are showing holandric or X-linked inheritance. That's why the answer is all of these. Let's see the next question. In hypanthodium of ficus, the pollination is done by. Options are insects, wind, water, birds. So actually in hypanthodium, the pollination done by blastophaga insect that lays its eggs in the bottom of hypanthodium inflorescence. So the larva from the eggs feed on the ovules of gallflowers. When the young insects crawl out of the inflorescence, so their bodies are laden with pollen grains, and they enter into the hypanthodium, another new hypanthodium flower. Then they pollinate, the other flower. Okay, hence the pollination occurs through the blastophaga insects or gall insects. The correct answer is insects. Okay, so coming to the next question. Dikaryotic cells are found in anything, you can say. So the options are ascomycetes, basidiomycetes, phycomycetes 1 and 2. Okay, so you have to know what is dikaryotic condition. Dikaryotic condition nothing but bearing two nuclei in their cells. So actually they are one from each parent. Okay, so generally they seen in dikaryotic cells are seen in ascomycetes and also basidiomycetes. The option 4 is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. Famous Indian bryologist is. Options are Iyengar, Kashyap, Maheshwari, D. Bari. The correct answer is Kashyap. Let's see the next question. Match the list 1 with list 2. List 1 consists theory, list 2 consists scientists. Okay, so the colloidal theory, protoplasm theory, organismal theory, and cell theory are given. Okay, so let's match them. So colloidal theory proposed by Fisher and Wilson, protoplasm theory proposed by Max and Schultz, organismal theory proposed by Sachs, cell theory was proposed by Sleeden and Schwann. Okay, so here also the options are given easily for the easy understanding. Okay, the correct answer is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's see the next question. So centromere is concerned with, options are movement of chromosomes to poles, duplication of DNA, splitting of chromosomes, formation of spindle fibers. The correct answer is movement of chromosomes to poles. That is the correct answer. Okay, so let's see the next question. So cleistogamous flowers. Options are given: open in night, open in day, always open, never open. Okay, so let's see the correct answer. Cleistogamous flowers, they never open. Let's see the next question. Lomentum fruit is mostly found in the members of the family. Options are Mimosaceae, Fabaceae, Solanaceae, Apiaceae. So among them, Lomentum is a type of a dehiscent legume fruit found in generally mostly found in the members of Mimosaceae. The correct answer is Mimosaceae. Okay, so it's a leguminaceae fruit. Okay, so next, coming to the next question. In gymnosperms, fruit is not formed because of the absence of dash. So options are ovary, gynoecium, embryo sac, thalamus. The correct answer is ovary. Coming to the next question. So Monera includes mycoplasma, bacteria, cyanobacteria, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. Process for biological nitrogen fixation is controlled by a set of genes known as, options are given, not genes, NIF genes, HUP genes, all of the above. The correct answer is NIF genes. Coming to the next question, which of the following is considered as equivalent to perianth? Options are given: glooms, lodicules, superior palea, inferior palea. The correct answer is lodicules. Coming to the next question, herbicides kill plants by inhibiting. Options are translocation, PS1, PS2, all of the above. Okay, so in general, herbicides inhibit photosynthesis by binding to D1 proteins of photosystem 2 complex of the thylakoid membranes. Hence, they stop the CO2 fixation. In this way, they kill the plants. That's why herbicides kill plants by inhibiting PS2. So coming to the next question, some blue-green algae change their color when exposed to lights of different wavelengths. This phenomenon is called, options are Guideco phenomenon, chromatic isolation, Hill reaction, red drop. The correct answer is Guideco phenomenon. Let's see the next question. Perigynous flowers are present in the family. Options are Malvaceae, Anonaceae, Leguminaceae, Cruciferae. The correct answer is Leguminaceae. Let's see the next question, that the thick disc-like part in pit membrane between complementary bordered pit pair is called. Options are middle lamellum, torus, mesta, caruncle. The correct answer is torus. Let's see the next question. Interferons inhibit the growth of. Options are bacteria, fungi, virus, all of the above. The correct answer is virus. Interferons inhibit the growth of virus. Let's see the next question. The enzyme responsible for reverse transcription is, options are DNA dependent DNA polymerase, RNA dependent DNA polymerase, RNA dependent RNA polymerase, DNA dependent RNA polymerase. The correct answer is RNA dependent DNA polymerase. Their DNA is prepared from the RNA. Okay, so it is occurs in retroviruses. Okay, let's see the next question. Recapitulation theory was proposed by. Options are Darwin, Lamarck, Haeckel, Bateson. The correct answer is Haeckel. Let's see the next question. Latissiferous vessels are found in. Options are xylem, phloem, cortex, none of the above. The correct answer is cortex. Loose smut of wheat is caused by. Options are Ustilago hardy, Tillachia hardy, Ustilago tritici, Phytophthora infestans. The correct answer is Ustilago tritici is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. Hing or asafoetida got from Ferula asafoetida is a resinous exudate of. Options are fruits, inflorescence, fruit and inflorescence, leaves, fruits, roots. Correct answer is the hing obtained from roots of Ferula asafoetida. Let's see the next question. Calyptrosin is a. Options are lignified tissue, dead tissue, permanent tissue, meristematic tissue. Correct answer is meristematic tissue. Let's see the next question. Semi-conservative DNA replication using N15 was demonstrated by. Options are Taylor, Messelson and Stahl, Hershey and Chase, Frankel and Conrad. The correct answer is Messelson and Stahl is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. Formation of sporophyte from the vegetative cells of the gametophyte is called. Options are parthenogenesis, apospory, apogamy, somatogamy. The correct answer is apogamy. Let's see the next question. Saprophytic flowering plant is. So options given Orobanche, Monotropa, Cuscuta, Belanophora. So actually Monotropa lacks chlorophyll, so it cannot synthesize its own food and it lives as a saprophyte. The correct answer is Monotropa. Let's see the next question. Chitin is a linear polymer of. Options are N-acetyl glucosamine, D-glucose, D-fructose, L-glucose. The correct answer is N-acetyl glucosamine. Let's see the next question. Which of the following biomolecules is regarded as working horses of the cell? Options are carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, nucleic acids. Among them, the correct answer is proteins. Let's see the next question. Sesquinator is an automatic machine to determine amino acid sequence in a polypeptide chain. The reagent used in sesquinator is. Options are Sanger's reagent, CNBR, trypsin, Edmonds reagent. The correct answer is Edmonds reagent. Let's see the next question. Which is the first cell of the gametophytic generation in the life history of a plant? Options are spore, spore mother cell, zygote, female gametophyte. The correct answer is spore is the first cell of gametophytic generation. Next question. Santalum album in the seedling stage lives as. Options are total stem parasite, complete root parasite, partial root parasite, partial stem parasite. The correct answer is partial root parasite. Let's see the next question. The pyrenoids which lie embedded in the chloroplast of the vegetative cells of Ulothrix and Spirogyra are. Options are protein bodies with lipid coat, starch bodies with lipid coat, protein bodies with starch envelopes, starch bodies with proteinaceous envelopes. Correct answer is protein bodies with the starch envelopes. Let's see the next question. Bicarpellary syncarpous ovary with axile placentation is seen in the family. Options are Solanaceae, Compositae, Caesalpinaceae, Malvaceae. Correct answer is Solanaceae. Consists bicarpellary syncarpous ovary with axile placentation. Uniparous carpioid cyme is found in. Options are ranunculus, canna, casuarina, polyalthia. Correct answer is ranunculus. Let's see the next question. Two fusing gametes of Spirogyra are morphologically similar, morphologically dissimilar, morphologically and physiologically dissimilar, morphologically similar and physiologically dissimilar. The correct answer is they are morphologically similar but physiologically dissimilar. Okay. So let's see the next question. The blast disease of rice can be controlled by. So citrinin, penicillin, blasticidin, yes, gliotoxin. The correct answer is blasticidin. S is the correct answer. Blasticidin is an antibiotic used in the cell cultures to control blast disease. Let's see the next question. The scientist who is famous for his research on rust fungi in India. Options are Butler, Mehta, Sadasivan, Mundkar. Correct answer is K.C. Mehta is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. The main type of food digested from insect body by Drosera plant is. Options are given: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and cellulose. So Drosera is a carnivorous plant, you know that, and it is commonly called as sundew plant. So which is generally found in nitrogen deficient soils. That's why it prefer protein. Protein present in the chitin of the insects. Okay, that's why they inhale insects. That's why they are called as carnivorous plants. Okay, so let's see the next question. The main type of this is the protein is the correct answer for this question. Let's see the next question. So heterothallism is common in. Options are Rhizopus, Agaricus, Bacteria, Spirogyra. So the correct answer is Rhizopus is the correct answer. Okay. So heterothallism is nothing but present of two types of thalluses. That means two types of strains. Two similar dioecious mycelial hyphae. They are participated in sexual reproduction. So they are morphologically different. So the heterothallism is nothing but two similar dioecious mycelial hyphae present in Rhizopus. Okay. So coming to next question. Under unfavorable conditions, Spirogyra filament disappears but the plant survives by. Options are zygote, zoospore, aplanospore, hypnospore. The correct answer is so please correct the option here, that is zygospore. Second one, that is zygospore is the correct answer. Okay, so the zygospore is only second option here, not zoospore, that is zygospore. Please correct it. Okay, so the zygospore is the only diploid cell that is found in the life history of a Spirogyra. Actually, it is consisting 2n condition, diploid condition. It undergoes a resting stage in unfavorable conditions. When the conditions are favored, it will undergo meiosis. 4 daughter nuclei will present in zygospore. Among them, 3 degenerate or disintegrated. 1 nuclei will remain. So it will come out and germinate into new individual. Okay, so the correct answer is zygospore, not zoospore. Okay, let's see the next question. So organelle inheritance is discovered by. Options are Rhodes, Ruth Sagar, William, Correns. The correct answer is Ruth Sagar. She proposed organelle inheritance for the first time. So next, coming to unicellular algae showing sexual reproduction by conjugation are. Options are desmids, diatoms, spirogyra, yeast. Let's see the correct answer. Desmids. Okay, so they are the unicellular algae. They are showing sexual reproduction by the process of conjugation. Okay, so thank you.